The Internet of Things is revolutionizing the way we work. Connected devices give us a window to our world, an extraordinary insight. In the workplace, just like at home, the person with the problem has to convince the person with the money to pay the person with the skills to help them. It takes a huge amount of time and energy to turn this circle of dependency. But what if we could put the power of problem solving directly into the hands of the person most motivated to fix it? You. No need for a specialist. You fix you. Symbisa is an all-in-one, multi-sensor, always connected system that lets you measure your world however you like. Adaptable, easy to use straight out of the box, no coding or technical knowledge required. Symbisa gives you comprehensive knowledge of moisture levels, temperature readings, impact sensors, tilt sensors, light levels and location coordinates, all working together to give you a complete view of your world. Using a built-in global mobile connection, you can collect data from your devices anywhere in the world. Each sensor feeds live data directly into Microsoft Excel using simple formulas. You can also send text messages and barcodes directly to the Symbisa display from within an Excel formula, letting you create labels for a person or a machine to read from the built-in e-ink display. So using insights to create actions in a complex globalized world has never been easier. You can create templates, reports, and apply all the analytical power of Excel to the live stream of data. Simply save the worksheet and store or share as normal. We integrate with Microsoft Office 365, making the Excel spreadsheet on your PC, phone or tablet a secure and shareable live window to your data anytime, anywhere. With 1.2 billion installations in 106 languages, you can measure your world anytime from within minutes of powering up. As soon as Excel opens, you get the latest snapshot automatically along with historical data whilst you are away. Symbisa is also available for popular cloud-based workflow engines, allowing two-way communication from hundreds of different systems without messy integrations. You could be a beekeeper measuring the temperature and humidity of your beehives, a car company tracking the location of cars between factory and dealer, or a clinic keeping track of life-saving organs on the move. Whatever your project, wherever you are, at whatever scale, Symbisa and Microsoft Excel gives you the power to create change, empowering you to fix you. This is Symbisa. We are Hanhaa. Be part of it.